हेलो एंड वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। आज आपको ले चलती हूँ राजस्थान की एक खूबसूरत सिटी बीकानेर में। एक ऐसा शहर जो राजस्थान की सांस्कृतिक विरासत की भव्यता को दर्शाता है। थार रेगिस्तान के मध्य में स्थित बीकानेर इतिहास, वास्तुकला और व्यंजनों का खजाना है। It is also known for its handicrafts, leather articles and for having the biggest camel farm of Asia. The city is known for its intricately carved jharokhas. These stone screens are found on the windows of forts and havelis. Join us as we embark on a journey to uncover the rich tapestry of Bikaner's past and present. This city is well connected to all major cities by road, train and flight. The nearest airport is Jodhpur International Airport. Bikaner station is also very aesthetically made up. Bikaner is known as the royal city of Rajasthan, which was founded by Rao Bika in 1488 CE. And since then, Bikaner has become the fourth largest city in the state of Rajasthan, India. Bikaner state was a princely state in the Rajputana from 1465 to 1947. इस राज्य के फाउंडर राव बिका जोधपुर के शासक राव जोधा के सबसे बड़े पुत्र थे। राव बिका ने अपने पिता की विरासत पाने की बजाय अपना खुद का राज्य बनाने का फैसला किया और उसने अपना राज्य स्थापित किया। Its capital was the city of Bikaner in the northern area of Rajasthan state in India. Let's explore the various famous spots in Bikaner. Our first stop is the magnificent Junagadh Fort, an architectural marvel built in the 16th century by Raja Rai Singh. Let's explore its intricate carvings, stunning courtyards and majestic palaces. यह किला बीकानेर शासकों की वीरता और वैभव का एक प्रमाण है, जो विजिटर्स को बीते युग की समृद्ध जीवन शैली की झलक प्रदान करता है। जूनागढ़ किले का निर्माण 1588 में सम्राट अकबर के सबसे प्रतिष्ठित जनरल में से एक राजा राय सिंह द्वारा किया गया था। किले के परिसर में रेड सैंडस्टोन्स एंड मार्बल से निर्मित कुछ शानदार महल है। प्राचीना म्यूजियम जूनागढ़ किले में स्थित इस संग्रहालय में आपको राजस्थानी राजघराने की शाही पोशाक, वस्त्र और सामान का संग्रह देखने का मौका मिलेगा। Garments worn by women are reminiscents of the lost craft of traditional design, style, and workmanship. Next, we visited the Karni Mata temple of Deshnok, famously known as the Rat Temple. Is a prominent Hindu temple dedicated to Karni Mata at the town of Deshnok, located 30 kilometers south of बीकानेर। ये अनोखा मंदिर हजारों चूहों का घर है जिन्हें भक्त पवित्र मानते हैं। These rats are believed to be the incarnation of Karni Mata's family members and are believed to bring good fortune to those who encounter them. Karni Mata is worshipped as the Kul Devi of the royal family of Bikaner. The temple draws visitors from across the country for blessings, as well as curious tourists from around the world. Jain Temple, Bhandasar. Jain Temple Bhandasar is a 15th century temple dedicated to the 5th Tirthankar, Sumanti Nath Ji, and is one of the oldest monuments of Bikaner. The temple design includes intricate mirrorwork, murals, and gold leaf paintings. Devotees throng to the temple from all corners of the country. Next is the National Research Center on Camels, which is 8 kilometers from the city. This camel research and breeding center is the only one of its kinds in Asia. The center is spread out over 2,000 acres of semi-arid land and is managed by the Government of India. Tourists can also enjoy the camel ride. Various camel milk products such as camel milk chocolates, coffee, kulfi, cheese, etc. And can also buy Rajasthani decorative items, camel leather products. To experience the true essence of Rajasthan, people also enjoy the camel safari into the vast expanse of the Thar desert. The rhythmic sway of the camels and the golden hues of the desert landscape create an unforgettable adventure. No visit to Bikaner is complete without indulging in its delectable street food. From savory snacks like kachoris and samosas to sweet treats like rasgullas and ghevar, the city's culinary offering are a feast for the senses. Bikaner is famous for its savory Bikaneri bhujia. People say that the climate conditions and the water availability plays a major role in making of those namkeens. The water of Bikaner is naturally salty, which also enhances the taste of the bhujia. Local shop Chotu Motu is famous for kachori sabji, and Khausa shop is famous for varieties of cookies, namkeens, sweets. Ker sangri, gatte ki sabji, and lal mas are the most popular dishes in Rajasthan. We enjoyed food in Gallop restaurant and Lalgarh Palace restaurants, and our stay at Cavalry Villa and Brij Gaj Kesri marked our trip unforgettable. The blend of spices and flavors in Bikaner cuisines reflects the region's rich culinary heritage, making it a gastronomic delight for food enthusiasts. From its majestic forts to its vibrant culture and flavorsome cuisine, Bikaner offers a glimpse into the soul of Rajasthan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting videos. Stay happy. Bye bye.